Hi folks, this is Benny with Pierre Driving School, covering another left and right again, in Brooklyn, New York. Okay, we're making the left turn here at this corner here. We're gonna approach this as if we would on the stop sign. Make sure there's full clearance and make your turn and fall away. Can you come in heavy? But fall away. Fall into the middle of your street. Now, when we're driving, we've always tell people that you've always have to always pay attention to your surroundings, especially early in the morning. All right, do not give anybody credit, knowing that they will do what they're supposed to do. You'll be in big time shock. Okay, always have in your mind you're the right person that is on the road. You're not giving anybody credit. When you're not giving anybody credit, guess what you are not gonna do? You're not gonna let your guard down because you know everybody is crazy. Especially driving here in New York City and Brooklyn, especially, right? Now, we're driving here on a two-lane street, one to the left, two to the right, but there is a one-bus lane that is on my right side. As I'm driving, I'm seeing the light already blinking. I'm slowing down, you see? When I come to a complete stop, when I cannot see the white line, then I stop. You know, I do not accelerate, picking up speed, because if I do, it's gonna lead to problem. As you guys see that I will be running the yellow light, and for the purpose of the road test, yellow light is not acceptable. It's considered as red. You've always have to forward planning all your moves as you're going along. You always have to forward planning all your moves as you're driving along. Otherwise, you're gonna end up making abrupt braking. That's not gonna be good at your road test. Also, each time that you are stepping on the brake, always take a quick glance in the rear view mirror to see how the traffic behind you is moving, especially early in the morning. If you see the light begin to blink and you know you're not gonna take the light, please do not accelerate. Do not misleading the traffic behind you, because that can lead to a rear-end accident and its problem. Although it will not be your fault, but we're not looking for this because we've never know how the outcome of an accident can be. All right, I've seen it on numerous occasions. People, you know you're not gonna take the light, you're picking up speed, and right when we get to the light, you hit the brake, and the car behind you were picking up speed as well, taking that you were taking the light, and then what are you having? Rear-end accident. Very, very common, especially on students that not paying attention. You see, I'm already seeing now, my light is already blinking. It just began to blink. I'm gonna go within my speed. You see? So I can come to a slow down and come to a nice and smooth stop, because I know I'm not gonna take the light. If I knew I was gonna take the light, of which I would have never done, I would have started picking up speed. And when I pick up speed, then I would have to continue to drive. I cannot wait at the last minute, then hit the accelerator, hit the brake. That can lead to an accident. And as the traffic behind me was already picking up speed with me as well. So I'm saying? We wanted to understand those things, because when you're driving in traffic, you have to pay good attention to what you do. Remember I always said that? What you do matters. Make sure that you're very well aware of the thing that you're doing, because the consequences can impact someone else's life, of which you do not want to be in that category. I've said that in numerous occasions, is for a reason. All right, always plan and take wisely of the move that you make. All right, if you're in the New York area, also you want Pierre Driving School to help you, check out pierredriving.com. And if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, do that and put anything you want us to do, put in the comment below, because most of our video topic come from things that you guys want us to do. All right, so we cover this early morning lesson. If you want something for me to cover in particular, we can definitely help you. Okay, on the lane on my right side, the car riding on the lane is acceptable, because in this part of town is applicable until 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. That's mean all the other time. But I'm paying good attention here. We're gonna make a right turn at this light here. I'm signaling my turn, and I'm falling back, check my mirrors and shoulders, go and they dot it. Okay, we go in and they dot it, and we're gonna make that right turn here. Okay, nice and smooth. Mirror right, shoulder right again. You see how many times I check? I check 2 times. I check on the first time, bust on my left, mirror left, shoulder left, and go around. I check 2 times before I make that turn. Why did I do that? Making sure that I'm checking to let people know I'm gonna be making the turn. And I'm checking again to verify that it's clear for me to make the turn. We're making a right turn here. Signal to the right, mirror right, shoulder right, and we're gonna go through with the turn here, nice and smooth. Keeping it moving here. At the traffic light coming up, we're making a right turn. You are right, shoulder right, make the turn with your foot cover on the brake. You don't want to be accelerating the car while you're turning. The car recover for itself. Once you fully recover, you have full control of the car. Then you drive. Then you drive. Never fully accelerate until you have full control of the car. The result, gonna be a car accident or danger, trouble for you. You do not want to accelerate on a path that you do not have control. I've seen it on numerous occasions. I do not want you guys to be doing that as well, okay? Take your time, make sure you got full control of the direction that you're going. Then you take action, because by not doing those things, guys, not only that they're not going to be good for you, because you're going to be drivers. If you're already a driver, you need to apply those things, because many people, they know how to drive, they know what to do, but they get complacent and they stop doing what they're supposed to do, and that's when they open up for trouble. Making a right turn at the traffic light here. We're pulling over, nice and smooth. As always, mirror right, shoulder right, and fall right into the bus lane, because weekend is not fully applicable until 7 p.m. here. It says Monday to Friday. Right at the corner here, you see it, mirror right, shoulder right. I'm checking for humans, okay, to see if there's any humans coming here. Making a left turn here, signal left, mirror left, shoulder left, and bring the car in.